In the very first days, when the earth was young, God walked in his beautiful garden. He loved to see all the animals he had made. Most of all beloved to come and visit the man and woman he had made. They were his friends. Their names were Adam and Eve. God usually came to see them in the evening before it was dark, when the air was cool. They told him what theu had been doing in the day. Adam and Eve enjoyed the garden God had made. They looked after the plants. They picked the fruit and berries when they were ripe. God had said that the earth was for them to enjoy. They had chosen the names for the animals. They played with them. They splashed in the river. They watched the clouds. You may eat the fruit of all the trees in the garden, God said, except that one tree in the middle. It was easy to obey. There were plenty of other good things to eat. All the animals loved Adam and Eve. They were not afraid of each other, but there was one who was different. He was a cunning snake. He was not happy when he saw that the man and woman were friends with God. One day, when Eve was in the garden, the cunning snake said, "Why don't you taste the fruit from the tree in the middle of the garden? Didn't God say you could have anything you wanted to eat? We can eat anything from any of these beautiful trees and plants," said Eve. "That tree, or we will die." "How silly you are to believe that," hissed the cunning snake. "You won't die. If you eat that fruit, you will know as much as God. Try it and see that I am right." Eve slowly turned and went to the tree. She put her arms around it and looked up into the leaves. The fruit was red and shining. In the light of the sun, it was beautiful. It hung down quite low. She could just reach it. Eve took the fruit and bit it. "It is really delicious," she said. The cunning snake crept under a bush and watched her. Soon Adam came to look for her. He found her under a tree, eating the fruit. "This is better than all the other fruit," she said. "You taste it." She held the fruit out, and the man bit it. Then the cunning snake smiled. But Adam and Eve felt suddenly afraid. They made clothes out of leaves to cover themselves. "Boo, dear," they said. "When God comes to visit us, he will know we have disobeyed him. We must hide quickly." They had never hidden from God before, because they were his friends. When God came in the evening, he called out, "Where are you? Why are you afraid? Have you eaten the fruit of the tree in the middle of the garden?" Adam and Eve came slowly out from hiding place. "Why did you eat that fruit?" said God. Adam pointed at Eve. "She made me," he said. God said to Eve, "Why did you eat the fruit?" Eve pointed at the cunning snake. "He made me," she said. God said to Adam and Eve, "You have spoiled all my plans for you, because you have disobeyed me. Now you must go from my garden forever. From now in, you will have to work hard. You will feel pain. I will never be able to meet you here again. And when you grow old, you will die." So Adam and Eve were sent away from the garden. God was sad that could not trust them. The man and the woman were sad that they had disobeyed God. It was hard work to grow their own food. They were sad that the animals did not trust them anymore. But most of all, they missed having God as their friend. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, EVM Productions, for more video like this.